This is Mark Brown with R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 2868. It's like new condition. The miles are under 500. It's a 2023 Ford E450. It's a 158-inch wheelbase. It's two-wheel drive, a V10 gasoline engine. The overall length is 272 inches. Overall height is 103 inches. Headroom is at 69 inches. It's a road rescue box. It has all new paint, all new pad latches and rotary latches, all new gaskets, new wheel sirens and speakers, new wheel LED lights, Banner inverter and charger, new hose light HVAC system. The body configuration consists of the left front compartment, set up with oxygen and adjustable shelves. Another forward compartment with adjustable shelf. Rear left compartment with 3 adjustable shelves. Rear entry. Critical care unit with forward and aft action areas with 3 attendant seats. 1 right, 1 left, 1 center. Walk through door. ALS in and out cabinets, PDQ, glove box, striker rail, new rear bumper with step up, flip up, right rear compartment set up with medical air. Curbside entry door. Right front compartment with adjustable shelves. Rear slide out drawer for batteries. Has a brand new control console with our controls. If you have questions concerning truck 2868, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit our website at www.renterprises.com. Thank you.